Welcome students. In the previous classes, we had read AGP 1 and AGP 2 of the topic The Lost Camel. Now we shall read AGP 3 of this topic. I shall read AGP 3 loudly. You will listen to me carefully. Then I shall explain the AGP 3 in Odia. Let us start. The judge smiled and asked why the old man thought the camel was blind in one eye. The animal had eaten leaves of bushes on only one side of the road, said the old man. Why do you think the camel was carrying wheat and honey? Asked the judge. I saw ants carrying fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road, said the old man. And there were bees flying around on the other side, I suppose, said the judge. Yes, your honor, said the old man. The judge then turned to the merchants and said, this man had made use of his eyes to look at all things. You have eyes, too. Use them. You will find your animal. Having eyes is not enough. Be intelligent too. And when you find your camel, look after it well. Do not leave it alone. Do not give him heavy loads to carry. Then the judge sent them away. Previous class रे आमे AGP 2 पढ़िथिलु. AGP 2 ର ଶେଷରେ ବିଚାରପତି ବୁଢା ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କରିଥିଲେ ତୁମେ କିପରି ଜାଣିଲ ଓଟଟି ଛୋଟା ଅଛି? ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ତାର ଉତ୍ତର କଣ ଦେଇଥିଲେ? ବାଲିରେ ପାଦ ଚିହ୍ନ ପଡିଥିବାର ଦେଖି ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରିଥିଲି ଯେ ସେ ଓଟଟିର ତିନୋଟି ଗୋଡ଼ ଅଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୋଡ଼ର ପାଦ ଚିହ୍ନ ନାହିଁ. ସେଇଥିରୁ ମୁଁ ଅନୁମାନ କରିଥିଲି ଯେ ଓଟଟି ଛୋଟା ଅଛି. ଏଇଠି AGP 3 ରେ କଣ୍ଟିନ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଛି. ତାପରେ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଆମେ AGP 3 ପଢିବା. The judge smiled and asked why the old man thought the camel was blind in one eye. ବୁଢା ଲୋକଙ୍କର ଉତ୍ତର ଶୁଣି ବିଚାରପତି ସ୍ମିତ ହାସ୍ୟ ହସିଲେ. ସ୍ମାଇଲ ମାନେ ସ୍ମିତ ହାସ୍ୟ. ସେ ସ୍ମିତ ହାସ୍ୟ ହସିଲେ ଏବଂ ବୁଢା ଲୋକଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରିଲେ ଯେ ସେ କିପରି ଚିନ୍ତା କଲେ ଯେ ଓଟଟିର ଗୋଟିଏ ଆଖି ନାହିଁ ବା ଓଟଟି ଗୋଟେ ଆଖିର ଅନ୍ଧ ଅଛି. The animal had eaten the leaves of bushes on only one side of the road. ବସ୍ ଅର୍ଥ ବୁଦାଡିଆ ଗଛ. ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ଜଣକ ତାଙ୍କ ଉତ୍ତରରେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ସେଇ ଓଟଟି ରାସ୍ତା କଡ଼ର ଗୋଟେ ପାଖରେ ଥିବା ଛୋଟ ଛୋଟ ଗଛ ବା ବୁଦାଡିଆ ଗଛରୁ ପତ୍ର ଖାଇଛି. Why do you think the camel was carrying wheat and honey? asked the judge. ତାପରେ ବିଚାରପତି ପୁଣି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ କଲେ ତମେ କାହିଁକି ଭାବୁଛ ଯେ ଓଟଟି ତା ପିଠିରେ ଗହମ ଏବଂ ମହୁ ବୋହିକି ନଉଥିଲା? I saw ants carrying fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road, said the old man. ଉତ୍ତରରେ ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ଜଣକ କଣ କହିଲେ ନା ମୁଁ ଦେଖିଲି ରାସ୍ତାର ଏକ ପାଖରେ ପଡିଥିବା ଗହମ ଦାନାକୁ ପିମ୍ପୁଡି ମାନେ ବୋହି ନେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲେ. And there were bees flying around on the other side, I suppose, said the judge. ତାପରେ ଜଜ୍ ଜଣକ କଣ କହିଲେ ନା ସପୋଜ ର ଅର୍ଥ ହଉଛି ଭାବିବା ବା ମନେ କରିବା. ତେଣୁ ଜଜ୍ କଣ କହିଲେ ନା ମୁଁ ମନେ କରୁଛି ରାସ୍ତାର ଆର ପଟ ଗୋଟେ ପଟରେ କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା ପିମ୍ପୁଡି ମାନେ ପଡି ଯାଇଥିବା ଗହମ ଦାନକୁ ବୋହିକି ନେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲେ. ଜଜ୍ ଜଣକ କଣ କହିଲେ ନା ହୁଏତ ରାସ୍ତାର ଆରପଟେ ବିଜ୍ ର ଅର୍ଥ ମହୁମାଛି. ରାସ୍ତାର ଆରପଟେ ମହୁମାଛି ମାନେ ଉଡୁଥିବେ. Yes, your honor, said the old man. ବୁଢା ଲୋକ କଣ କହିଲେ ହଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତାହା ହିଁ ହଉଥିଲା. କଣ ହଉଥିଲା ରାସ୍ତାର ଅନ୍ୟ ପାଖରେ ମହୁମାଛି ମାନେ ଉଡୁଥିଲେ. The judge then turned to the merchants and said. ତାପରେ ବିଚାରପତି ଜଣକ ବଣିକ ମାନଙ୍କ ଆଡକୁ ଚାହିଁଲେ ଏବଂ କହିଲେ This man had made use of his eyes to look at all things. କଣ କହିଲେ ନା ଏହି ବୁଢା ଲୋକ ଜଣକ ନିଜର ଦୃଷ୍ଟିକୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରି ଘଟଣାକୁ ସେ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି. ସମସ୍ତ ଘଟଣାକୁ ଦେଖିଛନ୍ତି। You have eyes. True. ତମମାନଙ୍କର ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଖି ଅଛି. Use them. ଆଉ ତମେ ଆଖିକୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କର. You will find your animal. ତମେ ତମର ପଶୁକୁ ପାଇପାରିବ. Having eyes is not enough. କେବଳ ଆଖି ଥିବା ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ନୁହଁ. Be intelligent too. ତମମାନଙ୍କୁ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ହେବା ମଧ୍ୟ ଆବଶ୍ୟକ. କେବଳ ଆଖି ଥିଲେ ତାହା ଯଥେଷ୍ଟ ନୁହେଁ. ଜଣକୁ ବୁଦ୍ଧିମାନ ହେବା ମଧ୍ୟ ଦରକାର. And when you find your camel, look after it well. ଆଉ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତମେ ତମ ଉଟଟିକୁ ପାଇଯିବ ତାର ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଯତ୍ନ ନେବ. Look after ମାନେ ଯତ୍ନ ନେବା. Do not leave it alone. ତାକୁ ଏକା ଛାଡ଼ିବ ନାହିଁ. Do not give him heavy loads to carry. ତାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଅଧିକ ବୋଝ ବୋହିବାକୁ ଦେବ ନାହିଁ. Then the judge sent them away. ତାହାପରେ ବିଚାରପତି ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ଚାଲିଯିବାକୁ କହିଲେ. AGP 3 ମଧ୍ୟ ସରିଲା. ଏବେ ଆମେ AGP 3 ର comprehension question discuss କରିବା. Question number 1. Why did the judge smile? The judge smiled because he noticed how wisely the old man answered his question. Number 2. How did the old man know that the camel was blind in one eye? The old man had noticed that the camel had eaten the leaves of bushes on only one side of the road. Thus he came to know that the camel was blind in one eye. Number 3. How did he know that the camel was carrying wheat on one side? The old man had observed ants carrying fallen grains of wheat on one side of the road. Thus he came to know that the camel was carrying wheat on one side of its back. Number 4. How did he know that the camel was carrying honey on the other side? The old man had noticed that bees were flying around the other side of the road. This helped the old man know that the camel was carrying honey on the other side. Number 5. How could the judge guess the answer of the old man? Was he intelligent? After listening to the previous answers of the old man, the judge just followed the thought process of the old man, and thus he could guess the answer of the old man. Yes, he was intelligent. Number 6. Was the judge happy with the old man? Yes, the judge was happy with the old man. Number 7. Was the judge angry with the merchants? No, the judge was not angry with the merchants. Number 8. What did the judge advise the merchants to find the camel? The judge advised the merchants to use their eyes and intelligence to find the camel. Number 9. Is it enough just having eyes? No, it is not enough just having eyes. Number 10. What else does one need? One needs to be intelligent too. Number 11. The judge advised the merchants to take care of the camel. What did he ask them to do? The judge advised the merchants to take care of the camel. He asked them not to leave it alone and also not to give him heavy loads to carry. Number 12. Was the judge kind? How do you know? Yes, the judge was kind. We noticed that the judge advised the merchants to take care of the camel when it is found. From this we came to know that the judge was kind. Who do you like the most in the story? Why? We like the old man the most in the story because he was very wise and put all his intelligence in tracking the lost camel. Number 14. Who is intelligent? The old man is intelligent. Number 15. Were the merchants cruel? Why? Think the condition of the camel, old, blind, lame. Yes, the merchants were cruel. Though the camel was old, blind, and lame, they still left him alone with heavy loads to carry. The Lost Camel chapter ଟି ସରିଲା. Thank you for watching the lesson.